In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create different kinds of clay donuts using slip and score methods. So I'm going to start out by giving you a lump of clay. Make sure that you have half a cup of water and a few clay tools like a skewer, a pencil, and a blending tool. So the first thing you're going to do is wedge your clay. Wedging is the process of throwing the clay down, whoops, again and again into a cube shape so that you can start to compress it and get rid of all of the air pockets. Once you've done that, you are going to roll it into a ball. Once you're happy with the shape of the ball that you have, you're going to take a pencil. Please don't take a pencil from my nice pencil box. Make sure you get it off of the clay cart, and you're going to push it through the center and pull it out the other end. Then you're going to take your finger, you're going to dip it in water, and you're going to wiggle it through the center. Make sure that your finger has water on it, otherwise your finger's just going to get stuck. Then from there, you're going to turn it over. You're going to see some little crusty goobers. You're going to smooth them down like this. After you smooth down the crusty goobers, you're going to put it down on the table. It's going to look like a giant bead, and you're going to flatten it. Now, if when you do this, you get any little cracks, you're going to just smooth them out with your finger, and then you can grab some water and smooth the whole thing out. And then we can start adding some decorations. So if you wanted to make something like sprinkles, you can just roll a little coil shape like this, and you can cut it and you can attach it on there. Now, I'm going to teach you a really important vocabulary word, slip and score. Slip and score is when you use slip, which is like muddy clay water, and scoring, which is scratching both sides of the surface that you're attaching it to with a scratchy tool so that it's like Velcro, and then you're pressing it together. You cannot just take the sprinkles and stick them on there. They will stick right now, but if you try to take them, if you let it dry, they will fall off immediately, and they will definitely fall off when I put them in a kiln. Now, if you wanted to make like a drizzle or something, you could simply roll a coil. So you would take a piece of clay, squeeze it, roll it really skinny. Once you've rolled it to the desired skinniness, which it should be pretty skinny, then you would score the back side of it. Remember, scoring is like scratching. Score any areas that you want to attach it to. Add some slip, so add a little bit of water, and that's going to mix with the clay, make a muddy surface. Then you're going to press it on and sort of blend it in as you press it. So you would slip and score both sides and attach that coil on there until it looked sort of like this. Anything that you would like to make on there, if you want to make little candies, if you want to make you know, certain kinds of little fruits or something, I don't know, be as creative as you want. Just no matter what you make, just make sure that you slip, score, and then blend it on a little bit, okay? So just blend it a little bit with your finger. Once you have done that, please put it on the plate that has your name. And I will dig out the bottom to make it a little more hollow and write your initials, so please make sure your first and last name is written on the plate.